Imagine making a $200 a day without a codings and editing, even showing your skills. Today I am showing how to use a free AI tools to start earning today. AI tools name and purpose. The AI tools Gamma.apps, it's a AI presentation makers and purpose to create a stunning and presentation for clients in 1 minute. And why pupils pay a $20 and $100 for per presentation on a Fiverr and Upworks. How it work? You can go on a browser to search a gamma.apps and going this site, scroll down for sign up and scrolling for sign up and easily for free and loading for bait and Google with continue with Google and bait loading very low and you can bait and Mansuchar and continue and done. Sign up is ready and scroll down to generate create for a personal use. How do you plan to use a gamma for a personal use? Which of the following best describe you role? Marketing, sales, serving, customer support. YouTube videos, not a creator. How many people work at your and what do you plans to do with gamma? Create a presentations. How did you hear about YouTube? Click that YouTube and create with AI. How would you like to generate create to from one lines prompt in a few. Let's describe with you like to make and search AI designs presentations. Designs AI designs to presentations. No. AI designs a full presentations. Very slow work and you watching last. Generate outlines. Outlines. This is a note for a AI designs a full presentation automatically. It's not and back. Presentations. Paste in text. What AI designs a full presentation automatically. AI designs a full presentation automatically. This generate from a an outlines. This is waiting 1 minute loading and डिजाइंस के बारे में जानने के इच्छुक व्यक्ति कुछ हिंदी ऑप्शनल लग्जीरियस टाइमलाइन फेड ऑर्गेनिक फॉर्मेट कंटेंट जनरेट लोडिंग ले रहा है. This is doing AI tools working for presentations fully and make a presentations outline. The design landscape transformed evolution of presentation designs and 1 minute to generate a presentations. Accessibility, how to automatic design works. GML framework, a new language for designs at key component of the GML designs engine, transforming workflow with automatic design. And scroll down, scroll. Impact score industries beyond automatically human AI collaboration. Export these presentations in my file. Very looking for best. Three dots click export for PDF begin generated. Exporting PDF and within 2 seconds your PDF export is successful and back a file. This is the art first and easily export this presentations in my file. Where to sell? Go to a Fiverr and search a presentation design loading to wait. This many clients and this earning 7,366 rupees and John as 6,446 and Slides G 9000 and many Mac 2300 to many pupils. See rate you can easily on Fiverr. Then easily back back to Upwork land hiring daily for pitch this school projects. Back to your site and search Upworks. Scroll down, scrolling, loading. Wait for slow loadings. And this is a View i20 and 4G net. This region for slow loading and search a client hiring daily for pitch and not business, freelancer business and a corporate presentation gig. How soon do you need help now? Does talent location matter? Any especially skills require this many clients? And you hire a clients on Upwork, Arun, Matthew or Loke, and many clients to back a homepage on phone. Earning breakdown: if you sell one presentations a day of $50 and you can earn easily $1,500 per month. You sell three orders per day and you can earn easily 4,500 daily, not but monthly earning passively. All free AI tools using and of 30 minutes work. Stop wasting time and using AI tools smartly. This could be your side hustles in 2025. Like, share, and subscribe for more real AI making money tips every Friday. Thank you watching.